If your woman love these four sex styles I'm going to discuss here in this channel, make sure you don't trust her. Did you hear what I said? Don't trust her. Assuming you are married to her, don't trust her and never stay away from her. Assuming you are not married to her, make sure you take it out of your mind. She is not worth trusting. Let's look at these four styles. One of them is superhero style. This style gives the man absolute control over the woman. In this style, you can see the woman, or you see a woman lying down flat on a table while the man goes through under her, shifting her up a little, entering through her. In this kind of style, a woman has no absolute control to her body or to whatever happens to her. Remember, she is facing down and away from her lower body, and the man jacks it up, meaning that such a man must be a man with extra power. Like the name is superhero. The man is in charge, maybe with his muzzle jacking a woman up. This is not a style for learners. A woman who tells you this is her best style has had enough of this. This style is for experts and not for just beginners or somebody you just married new. If a woman keeps requesting it from you, superhero style, I want you to know that she is an expert in having, now with men, and she has had it enough. You are not the one that started it with her. Moreover, you just noticed she requested it from you. If you are married to her, let's come to that. You know that your wife is not someone you should leave. You shouldn't leave her to be far away from her. I know some people are into long distance marriage. They can be in London while their wives are in Nigeria. Any woman who know this particular style, who love this particular style, my brother, don't leave her far from you, because she is wide already. Do you understand? And you notice that when you are on it with her, she does not complain, because this is a deep penetration style. She does not complain. She does not make any kind of sound or movement to tell you that it is hurtful. Make sure you do not trust such a woman. The next style, you see your woman or a woman know and love so much that should put you on your toes not to trust her. Even your wife is butter turner or spot trust. Yes, the receiver lies down on her back with her legs raised over their heads. The legs are raised over their heads. This style is not for a beginner. It is for a professional. It is meant for deep penetration. If you are married to such a woman, I don't know how you will feel seeing your woman, in pants. But in this case, if she does not complain, she tells you it's her favorite style, and she keeps disturbing you, oh, let's go for it, let's go for it. Let's go for it. She keeps telling you this is her best style ever, or she is someone you are dating and you notice that is her best style. My brother, don't trust her, because she is wide in it. She has done it severally. She will not stop, and there's nothing you will give her that is more than this. It is a wide style made for experts or for professionals. Another style, you see your woman you are dating love so much, or your wife love so much. You see her inviting you, telling you, oh, I want this, I want it, I want that. Is G-whiz or shoulder holder. Whenever you see your woman like this shoulder holder style, it is not for people who are learning. It is not also for somebody who is just beginning. It is for professionals. I want you to know that you do not need to trust her. How did she learn it? And maybe she's the one teaching you. She's the one telling you about it. She's the one telling you how she has loved it and how she have been doing it. This is for professionals. How is this style? This style is for deep penetration and is targeting the G spot or B spot. Do you understand? You understand now. The giver kneels down in between the receiver's legs and raises them up. This style is not for beginners. Do you understand? You could know how hard it will be for even the man to jack the legs up or even to sustain those legs and to even raise it up and causing the penetration. It is not for young learners. It is not for people who are not really into it. It is for professionals. Make sure you make your inquiries. Don't trust her. Assuming you love her, you still want to marry her. Make sure you don't leave her to travel far. As you are going, make sure she's your handbag. Even as you are going to work and you have somebody who is attractive around you, carry her along. That is the punishment for you for having such a woman who love this kind of style for experts. Another style, if your lady, your woman, your wife loves, you shouldn't trust her 100%. I'm not saying you should pursue your woman, you should send your woman packet, but you have to train her to calm down, because a day will come, a time will come as you age that you won't be able to do it. What will happen? What will happen? She will dash out to the street. Is it also? That style is wheelbarrow standing or Hoover maneuver. Do you understand? This style gives the giver the opportunity to lift the receiver up by the pelvis and grips her waist, lifting the receiver up by her waist, jacking her up. And in this style, the receiver has no power over her body. She cannot control what happens. This is why this style is for professional. Make sure you study the woman you are dating, you are married to. And this is why so many women are outside. If they marry or date a man who is a novice in these styles, you see them run away. You see them, even if they love you, they will still be going outside to meet those ones who can help them have it. Are you a man who has such a woman as a friend, as a lady you are dating, as a woman you are married to? How are you seeing it? Make sure you sit down and decide. Know that these styles she is used to is not or are not for a beginner, for ordinary person who just want to have it and for pleasure. It is for professionals who need it for something else, maybe money, monetary gain, and so on and so forth, or to use it to do sell out. Make sure you are careful. Carry what you can sustain so that you don't begin to complain. Oh, she's going outside, she's not going outside. Moreover, you have known that she is a professional, and what you have, what you do, what you give can never sustain her. Let us keep to what we can do. My brothers and my sisters is also in men, but you understand when I say the receiver and the giver. The receiver is the woman, the giver is the man. So just watch the video and look at it, understand what I have mentioned, how they go, who does what and who receives what. Yes, I have come to the end of today's teaching. If you have something to add to this teaching, kindly put it down in the comment section. Have you had experience of a woman who loves these sex ties, who makes you angry even though you love her, because you cannot meet up? You don't have the strength to always jack her up and give it to her because of the nature of the job you do. If you are seeing me for the first time, will be watching without subscribing, kindly subscribe to your sister's channel. My returning viewers and subscribers, God bless all of you. Kindly give the channel a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share this video to all your friends so that you will learn. Our brothers and sisters will learn so that we don't run into trouble. This channel is for educating, for teaching us what we may not have known before or known but didn't understand. Love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.